Morning, everyone. It's 8:40 on Friday morning, end of a very ugly week, which seems to be improving ever so slightly here. Europe is down. Asia was mixed, and last night the futures were very strong. And then they turned back to the downside on the news that there was yet another new COVID variant, similar to the MERS, which is respiratory, and took the market right back down. As far as news this morning, we had the PCE indicator 5.8. That was up from 5.7 last month, which was also and continues to be the highest numbers since 1982. Income expected to be up 0.4% was actually up only 0.3%, and spending was down 7 tenths, down 6 tenths versus an expectation of down 7 tenths. Apple reported yesterday, last night. It was a beat on all metrics. The stock got up as high as 168, but this morning is trading closer to 164, up about 4.5. Visa also up 212.50, and that's up 637. It has traded as high as 217. On the downside, we have Robinhood trading in single digits, 9.95 down $1.66. Remember that this stock was 85 right after the initial the IPO. And today it's down just about 14%. Western Digital also sharply lower. Stock closed 53.84 this morning, traded as low as 47.38. Last 47.99. That's down 5.85 or 10.3%. Chevron missed on earnings, beat on revenue. The black and white version of it seems to be a little bit of a mix. But the stock is trading 129.50. That's down 587 or 4.3%. And Caterpillar beat, but everybody keeps talking about supply chain disruptions, and Caterpillar is trading 207.90, and that's down a little over 2%, down $4.37. As far as commodities go, we have the grains slightly higher, oil again higher, up $1.48. It was higher yesterday, I believe. Let me just take a quick look here. Yes, so far today is an inside day, higher low, lower high, but it is trading up on the high end. This would be a new recovery closing high if it holds here. The gold is down another $8, 17.87. I know Dennis was short here, got out, got back in, got out. And he seems to be, hitting this right on the head so far year to date, up in excess of 30%. The dollar is again up, so is Bitcoin and Ethereum, and bonds are down 0.75 of a point. The silver is also down, and as far as those softs that we follow, we have coffee up a little. We have lumber has not opened yet, but was down 13.80. Actually, it's the first day this week that it didn't trade limit up or limit down. So that's where we are. We're supposed to get some massive amounts of snow here. So hopefully we'll keep the power and I'll be able to put out this week's letter on time. All right, everyone, have a good morning. Be careful out there. It's tough, but the Dow has recovered all the way to being down only about 28. It was down 380 on the COVID news. The S&P and the Nasdaq are also recovering. The Nasdaq, I believe, is actually up. Well, the S&P is actually up $1.50, uh, with its fair value basically unchanged. Dow, as I said, down about 40. Just waiting for an update. Nas is up 41. All right, everyone, be careful out there. And if we have another sell off today, I'm going home